Hello guys, and welcome to my second review. This time I'm going to be looking at the CoolerMaster Novatouch TKL. Get right into it. This is an ISO layout keyboard. Well, I got the ISO layout anyway, and you might see that it's quite similar to the other lines. I think it's the CoolerMaster Quickfire keyboards, but they use basically the same outer shell, but nothing other than that is basically the same. So it's made of, well, yeah, the outer shell made of plastic. It's quite sturdy and quite heavy. It's quite a small board as well. Obviously this is TKL layout, so there's no numpad over here. Some people might need that, but then you can just buy an extra one that you can put on the side if you want it. Default, they came with pad printed thin ABS keycaps, and those were horrible, so I bought these. These are double-shot ABS keycaps. I'll put a link in the description for those. But yeah, they're much better than what was default on here. Yeah, if you're gonna buy this, you're buying it for the feature of. Let me try to remove a key. That keycap is horrible. Let me just grab another one from over here. You're buying it for the fact that these switches are Topre stems with Cherry MX in the middle, so you can put custom keycaps on here, which is actually one of the reasons that I bought it, because I really wanted a Topre board that I could also switch out the keycaps on. There's no lighting or software for this keyboard, so you can just plug it in anywhere and it'll work fine. Last of all, the switches. These are Topre switches, and they are quite polarizing. Some people love them, some people hate them. I love them myself. This is like my main typing keyboard, even though I've got I spent £200 on another keyboard that I don't even use. But then there's this, and I absolutely love it. The feel of it it's far better than anything else that I've typed on. So if I just hit a couple of switches, you can hear like a quite deep sound when you're typing on these, which is what I really love about them, and the feel. So these have a really drawn out tactility, so it's not a really sharp, like it would be the blue switches have a really sharp tactility, which I don't like. I prefer the smooth tactility of this. They're 1mm activation, so they're half of what a Cherry MX switch would be, and they are 45 grams, so the same as Reds. The way these work is there's a rubber mat, and underneath that is a spring, which is the capacitive element of these switches, because they're marketed as hybrid capacitive switches. So there's a PCB underneath, then a spring on top, which when you press down a key, it compresses the spring, and that's what gives the key switch its capacitive element. If you want to learn about capacitive things, you have to Google it, because I can't bother explaining that in this video. But yeah, that has inherent N-key rollover, which is pretty good if anyone wants to use it. I think by default this only has 6-key rollover, and then whenever you press more than 6 keys, it automatically goes over to N-key rollover. But yeah, really good keycap, and following is going to be a typing demonstration. Did I say keycaps? I mean keyboard, but really good keyboard. Overall, I'd recommend it to anyone. I picked this up on eBay for about £70, but that was some ridiculously discounted price. I don't know how I found it for that. But yeah, if you do find this at a cheap price, anything under like £80–90, go for it, because it's amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching.